What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Jaime G coming at you with another great video today on this Monday afternoon. Guys, I just making this video to let you know what's going on in the Wild West of crypto land. We're going to briefly read you an extremely bullish article on Shiba Inu. You know I'm part of the Shibarmy, guys. Okay, so you guys might be like, okay, well, what's so important about a stupid article? You know what I mean? But guys, I think it's truly important, right, that anytime any new content comes out on SHIB, right, that I like to share it. Why? Because I want to keep I want to keep my community informed at all times. Any kind of new content, especially if it's bullish content, right? Because I want my community to be up to par, hip on the skip and up on game and up on point. You know what I mean? Because if you're not keeping up with the times, you will definitely get left behind. And me and my community will not get left behind. We are striving for that $1 million mark. You know what I mean? So, and also, guys, there is important information in there. There's gold nuggets, right? There's gold nuggets in these articles that I read. If you know how to cipher through the good and the bad, right? There's definitely good nuggets in there for you to digest. Okay. Well, without further ado, oh, real quick, guys. Remember, I will be giving one lucky subscriber when we get 500 subscribers. I'll be breaking off $150 of their crypto of their liking, and when we get to 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving somebody $300 their choice of crypto. So do me a favor and push that like button and hit that subscription bell. Go tell your mommy, your daddy that Jaime J be dropping them hot videos, and he's giving out some free money. So come and subscribe to the channel. All right, without further ado, let's dive right into the content, guys. All right, so what's going on in the crypto land? All right, so we got Papa Bitcoin right now, guys, trading at 38,975 and 23 cents with a 24-hour change of 15.8% in the green, which is great, guys, because obviously it's been down in the last 7 days. It is down 12.94%, which isn't too bad, guys. Yesterday it was at, I think, 26%, right? So that's obviously a plus. It shows that people are buying the dip, that people are stepping in and buying Bitcoin, which is what we want, right? We want buying pressure because that buying pressure will obviously send the price of Bitcoin up, therefore continuing this bull run. Bitcoin has a market cap of $730 billion, and volume in the last 24 hours is at $68.87 billion, which is good, guys, because I know yesterday it was sitting at $66.99 billion. Like I said, that means people are stepping in and that people are feeling more confident to buy the dip and just continue to buy Bitcoin and HODL. Why? Because there was a lot of FUD going on, guys. A lot of calculated manipulation, like I had made in my video yesterday, guys. If you want to check that video out, right, there are some nuggets in there, guys, on what's going on. I'll just briefly touch on that real quick. So basically, there was wallets, Bitcoin wallets that were 1 week to 1 month old prior to that dump on Wednesday, right? And those wallets that were 1 week to 1 month old were the ones that sold massive Bitcoin, right? Pushing the price of Bitcoin down 40% and also causing those I think it was $300 billion worth of liquidations on the leverage trading platforms to be liquidated, right? Therefore, pushing Bitcoin down to the 30,000. And well, guess who's the one that bought up all the Bitcoin, or not all, but who did most of the buying when Bitcoin was at that 40% discount? Those same exact wallets that were made 1 week to a month prior to that dip. And also, guys, majority of the people buying the dip and the people that own those wallets are here from America, right? Go figure, right? So hedge funds, whales, who knows, guys? But nonetheless, majority of the people that were buying the dip were here from America, right? Those wallets that were manipulating the price. But it's okay because they gave retail investors the opportunity that weren't scared to buy the dip, to step in and buy the dip as well. All right, enough of all that chitter chatter. Okay, now we got Ethereum sitting at where are we at here? Okay, Ethereum is sitting at 2,632 and 92 cents, right? And it is currently up 27.13% in the last 24 hours, which is extremely good, right? And in the last 7 days, it is down 22.8%. And we have a market cap of $301.47 billion. And our volume in the last 24 hours is at $53.82 billion, which is good, like I said, because it shows people are stepping in. That fear, people are gradually getting out of that fear and feeling comfortable to buy again, right? So let's dip into Shiba. Uno. I'm part of the Shibarmy, guys. I currently own 93 million shares tokens of Shiba Inu. Okay, so Shiba is currently sitting at, I'm not going to give all the zeros, guys. It's currently sitting at 1074. It ranks number 29 on CoinMarketCap, and it is up 29.21% for today. It had a 24-hour low, guys, of 776 and a 24-hour high of 1183. And we have a market cap of $4 billion, $4.2 billion. It is up 29.7, right? And we have a fully diluted market cap of $10.5 billion. And volume in the last 24 hours is at $2.1 billion. And that is up 16.96%, guys. Like I said, people are starting to not be scared. Guys, man, all this was just manipulation, man. I know looking at our accounts, it sucks because they're down, but slowly but surely they will come back up, and patience is key, man. That is how generational wealth, life-changing money is going to come about, man. You got to be patient, man. Patience is virtue, and patience is key in crypto. You got to think of the long term, guys. All right, guys. So now let's dive right into this article real quick because I don't want to take up too much of your time. It says Shiba Inu price forecast. SHIB gets closer to a 50% rebound. In other words, guys, it's already made 50% back of its losses. It's already back up 50%, man, from what where it was. That is freaking bullish as all get up. You know what I mean? That's why I said this is important. These articles are important, man. There's golden nuggets. It says Shiba Inu price forming a new symmetrical triangle on the 4-hour chart. SHIB has closed with consecutive inside days, suggesting investors should be ready for a notable price move soon. And that means up, guys, not down. A stable to strong cryptocurrency market does hint at a bullish resolution, but investors are best served to wait for it to happen. The Shiba Inu price has fallen 85% from the May 10th high of $39.99 to the May low of $607. The Dodge Theme token is now defining a symmetrical triangle pattern on the 4-hour chart that is near completion. Over 75% of symmetrical triangles patterns are continued pattern, so probabilities dictate that SHIB could result the pattern to the downside shortly. Shiba Inu price compressions leads to price expansion. The symmetrical triangle pattern, sometimes referred to as a coil, tends to form during a trend as a continuation pattern. The work of Edwards and McGee, Technical Analysis of Stock Trends, suggests that 75% of symmetrical triangles are continued patterns and the remaining are reversals. The reversal patterns are challenging to analyze and frequently have false breakouts. The symmetrical triangle pattern is contained by at least 2 reactions high and 2 reactions low. When the lines are connected, they converge as they are extended, creating a symmetrical triangle. Excuse me. Since May 19, Shiba Inu price has been quietly forming a symmetrical triangle with 3 reaction lows and 3 reactions high. At the time of writing, Shiba was at 908. Shiba is initiating an attempt to break out to the upside. Whoop whoop, Shibarmy, stand up. Based on the widest distance of the triangle and applied to the breakout point, the measured move target is 1337, or a gain of 50%. The 50% rally would elevate Shiba Inu price beyond the 54-hour simple moving average at 1119 and at the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement. The SHIB declined from May 10th to 1325. All right, guys, see, like, this is basically an article of technical analysis, guys, which is extremely good, man. Like I said, there's a lot of golden nuggets in here, okay, guys? It says, as upside breakouts are rare and prone to failure, it is crucial to consider the downside. The measure move target for Shiba in the price is 347, based on the widest distance of the triangle. An alternative way is to establish a parallel line into the triangle upper trend line, which yields measures move target to 287. All right, guys, so this article is obviously giving you technical analysis for the upside and for the downside, right, guys? Which is always good. You don't want, because it can go either way. It can go up and it can go down, right? So you want to know both up and down. You know what I mean? So it's just always good to have both. So at the moment, the upper resolution of the SHIB triangle signifies a potential breakout from the 85% decline since May 10th. Investors should consider initiating a position on the SHIB price breakout, but do so in consideration of the probabilities mentioned above. Right, guys? Obviously, high risk, high reward. Just basically saying, obviously, that there is a possibility that it can go either way. It can go up or it can go down. But we're Shibarmy, we're bullish, so we believe that it's gonna go up. Got to stay positive, guys. So now it says, where did it go? Yeah, investors should consider initiating a position on the SHIB price breakout, but do so in consideration of the probabilities mentioned above with a relatively tight stop loss. Moreover, it is important to not overlook the consecutive inside days on the bar chart. An important quote to keep in mind when understanding price action is at the price contracted leads to price expansions. All right, guys, that's what I had for you guys. Like I said, this article, it's in FSX. If you want to do your own research and go read it yourself, you feel free. But like I said, guys, this article basically was technical analysis, giving you a breakdown for the upside and the downside. Hopefully this was insightful and useful. This is your boy Jaime G. Please consider to like and subscribe to the channel. And don't miss out on that $150 to $300 when we get to that subscription level, guys. You guys stay blessed and stay tuned till later this evening with another hot video. Peace.